So, FNC, CMS, most of us think that CMS stands for Collateral Management System. Obviously it doesn't. It's Casey, Michaeline, and Steve. And when we put our heads together and come up with something, it's wonderful, and it's CMS Analytics. So, FNC CoreLogic Analytics today, what does that look like? Basically, we have raw data in a tabular format that can be exported to our users in .csv files, which typically require further manipulation. We have a small number of aggregate reports that have to be manually generated, and these aren't terribly efficient and are very time-consuming for the sales team staff, who have estimated they spend anywhere from 10 minutes to several hours to create just one. Y'all, this is not analytics, this is reporting. So, opportunity for innovation. What do our customers want? They want data that is credible, data that is useful and adds value. Perhaps they can use it to identify gaps in their market saturation, or maybe increase the volume of their appraisals through a small fee adjustment. In addition, they need data that is easily consumed, data that is interactive, and data that is comprehensive and covers not just their data, but perhaps the market data as well.
Here's a sample of a current turn time report that we give to our customers. Notice it's broken down by state, county, value range, and the forms have different tabs. You see the headings listed at the top. But looking at this data, what does it tell me? How is my average doing compared to the market? Is it going up? Is it going down? Where are my opportunities for improvement? Do I really want to scroll through hundreds of thousands of rows of data? Introducing the new CMS Analytics, powered by the ClickSense application. Here we've taken that same data and made a graphical representation of it. Notice how much cleaner and easier it is to read. You've got all of your KPIs right here at the top. You've got all your graphs of average service fee per month. Do you want to look at just residential appraisals? Well, then click on the residential appraisal filter and the entire graph changes. How about properties within the 500,000 to 1 million range? Click on that and the graph changes to accommodate that. You can also click on a particular state to drill down even further. Let's take Florida for example. You see all the graph changes and shows you just the counties in Florida, and you can scale through that and see exactly how you're doing in each one. Simply remove the filters to go back to the main grid. If you want to do that 3-month lookup, then that's easily done with our little lasso tool. Just highlight the data points and everything filters automatically. KPIs and graphs are updated to show you that 3-month look back. You could use that same lasso tool to do a 6-month look back, or a 9-month, or a custom range if you wanted to. But wait, you haven't even seen the best part. What makes CMS Analytics so valuable is the fact that I can not only see my own data, but I can overlay the market data right next to it, so I can see how I compare to the market in each of the areas. Am I getting a fair price? Am I paying too much? And looking at the chart here, I notice that my vendor fees are always higher than the market, and sometimes by a lot. Why is that? Is it possibly that my turn times are a little bit different? Well, for that, we'd have to look at the turn time report. The turn time report is as equally robust, allowing you to see all of your KPIs at the top, allowing graphs showing dynamic data as you select different values to graph on. Being able to overlay market data so that you can see side-by-side comparisons between you and your market competitors. The vendor analysis report will then let you select your individual vendors and graph them against each other so that you can see the turn times and vendor fees for each and make the comparisons to make your business as successful as possible.
So what will analytics look like tomorrow? Well, we've solved a couple problems today. Instead of providing customers with rows and rows and rows of data, we've given our customers a picture, which is worth more than 1,000 words, or in this case, 1,000,000 rows of data. It makes reporting more efficient and robust for both for us and our customers. So what are the next steps? So we need to build our reports to develop these top 10 requested client reports and integrate it with the existing CoreLogic ClickSense installation.
And finally, sell baby sell. And we are looking at you, Jeffrey Little.